Hello YouTube. As you know, the exhaust is going on soon, so I'm just going to do a few little things to get ready for it. These mufflers, they are directional, so you can get them switched up and install them wrong. And to prevent that, since the company didn't mark them, I got some labels made at work. I'm going to put in on this side and out on that side to make sure that the guy installing them don't have to worry about putting them on wrong. Hold on a second, let me get this VR out and in. Now I'm going to do the other mufflers. And here's the second one. In on this side, out on that side. And the label's on. Just playing it safe. Don't worry, everybody. I'll be making videos when the exhaust system get put on. Until next video, I'll see you.